Hi there, it's me Bandaru Ganesh from Ananthapuram, Andhra Pradesh. I have completed my MBA Marketing and Finance in Sri Venkateswara University in 2021. This is the wonderful online platform for improving our communication skill. Anyone can learn online easily with the end-to-end 100% Java system. The program module is well structured and arranged for skill development. The mindset workshops and practice for interviews placements will add in your consistency in both personal and professional development. They took care of everything about us, including our CV, communication, response style, and how to prepare for an interview. All we have to do now is show up for the interview. Finally, I got placed at Fidelis Corporate Solutions Pvt Limited with salary offered 2.7 lakhs per annum. I am grateful to the entire Evision team for providing me with the best learning experience I've ever had. Once again, thank you, Evision.